So I'm so excited to tell you about the newest fragrance at Pete and Pedro. It is Villain. Villain has been in development for almost a year. And the reason why it took so long is that we really went the extra mile in terms of creating a fragrance that you guys are going to love that's different but super masculine and macho. So when I decided that I wanted to actually develop a fragrance that was a little bit like darker and just woodsy and sexy and spicy, I bought a few different ones that I really liked. And then every single time I would actually wear this, I wouldn't tell my wife, but she would say, hey, you smell amazing today. It's not Rebel, it's not King, it's not Hero, but you smell great. What are you wearing? And that's when I knew that this was the scent that we were going to develop a little bit further, all right? Villain is inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. Tobacco Vanille is super pricey, but incredible. The thing that you're gonna love so much about Villain, not only does it smell like absolutely mind-blowingly amazing, it's different. It's not like the run-of-the-mill fragrances that you're gonna find or that your friends are wearing, all right? This fragrance is like nothing you've ever smelled. When you first spray it on, it's kind of sweet. It's got like vanilla notes, a little bit of spice, but then when it starts to settle down a little bit, that's when its bad boyness comes out, right? And what you're gonna be left with is a tobacco, woodsy, vanilla scent that is absolutely unforgettable. You guys are absolutely gonna love this. This is a very macho, manly scent, and one that I think that every single one of you should add to your fragrance arsenal. It's not like your boy is wearing it. This is a unique fragrance that is absolutely incredible. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a new scent, it's just so good. You guys are absolutely going to love Villain by Pete and Pedro. It's an EDP, but here's the deal. I don't want to hear any of you saying, oh, it doesn't last long. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Villain literally lasts forever. You're going to have to actually like scrub to get it off. I'm telling you, this stuff is a powerhouse. You guys are going to love it. Your spicy senorita is going to be like, damn, you smell incredible. Villain is next level in terms of an incredible fragrance that isn't going to break the bank.